How to check Google account password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and here select on Manage your Google account. It will take us to a new page over here. So simply what you need to do is you can see there are different options for you to see over here, like personal info, data and privacy. So what you simply need to do is tap on security. As you tap on security, scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of manage or password manager. So tap on it, and as you do that, if you have saved your Google account password over here, then you'll be able to see your Google account over there and check your password as well. So just tap on it. You just need to see if you have saved your Google account and then you'll be able to see your password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.